From suing a charity to filing lawsuits against their own customers, Ferrari has a history of litigation even longer than my history with your mother. But last month, the Italian supercar brand took their war on replicas to the next level. Ferrari's anti-counterfeit paranoia began as early as the 1980s. The brand made headlines for suing California-based replica company Modina Design, the garage responsible for the Ferrari 250 GT replica that was used in the film Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Ferrari alleged that Modina Design hadn't obtained permission to use the prancing horse logo or likeness of the car, and the courts agreed, granting Ferrari one of their first and most public victories. And this would be just one of many replica brands to fall under the iron fist of justice. The company behind the Miami Vice car got hit as well, along with countless other body shops and custom garages since then. But there's a reason Ferrari is so protective of its image. See, the company doesn't just sell cars with sticky buttons and flammable glue. In 2022, over $400 million in revenue was generated from sponsorships, commercial, and brand activities. That includes things like their Formula One team, merchandise, and brand licensing. There's also the Ferrari lifestyle strategy, where the company sells accessories and apparel in the broader luxury market. And all of this is dependent on the image and reputation of the brand as high quality and exclusive. In fact, many of their collectibles and limited edition models are purchased more as investment vehicles to store and grow generational wealth like a piece of art would. That brand value could be put at risk by cheap ripoffs, many have argued, and maintaining its status as an aspirational product is a top priority. So it honestly shouldn't have been a surprise when Ferrari announced a new anti-replica program last month. Rather than relying on their internal team of attorneys to discover fakes, Ferrari is now trying to crowdsource their efforts, introducing the Ferrari Anti-Counterfeiting Reward Scheme, where you, and Ferrari enthusiasts around the world, can help protect approximately 500 trademarks in exchange for a special gift. The program directs narcs to an online forum where they can enter information relating to potential cases of trademark infringement that they've spotted. This could include rip-off merchandise, fake parts, and yes, even full-on replica cars. One can assume that after receiving this information, Ferrari will pursue legal action against the infringing company. In exchange for snitching, Ferrari offers a mysterious reward, bestowed at their discretion. While it's not specifically named, this compensation is unlikely to be a new supercar or a year of free service. The forum refers to it as a gadget or gift item, leading online forums to throw around plenty of guesses, ranging from a Formula One viewing suite to half a pack of gum. And there have also been a fair share of jokes about Ferrari's excessive vigilance in this arena. While a few supporters seem to agree with the program, many rejected it as communistic, over the top, or just plain out of touch. But what do you think about Ferrari's recent anti-counterfeit efforts? Are they justified or just too far? Let me know in the comments and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.